Good afternoon, everyone. I am Kushal Gupta. I passed my school in 2021, MC Kejriwal Vidyapeeth. In mains, I scored around 6800, and in advanced, I scored 7503 rank. I am currently pursuing my undergraduate degree at IIT Kharagpur, Ocean Engineering and Naval Architecture Department. At Zenith, you have no boundaries of the services they provide, be it academic, be it emotional, or be it like anything. Literally anything you want for pursuing, for studying, for staying focused and studying. They'll provide it to you here. The mentors there are the best, literally the best. Uh, I personally had a favorite subject, physics, and the sir, Varun sir, too, helped me many times. Like whenever you feel that you are depressed, कि अब नहीं होगा मेरे से, या बहुत पक गए पढ़ के, just talk to them. They'll motivate you. They'll tell you ways to refresh your mind, and don't cut off ties with your friends. They really help to keep you refreshed and keep you stay focused. If you have a good group among your friends where you know that everyone studies well, talk to them, sit with them, and solve problems together. They'll tell you new ways which you might not know initially, and then uh, which might help saving time as well as understanding better. Like बहुत बार होता है कि टीचर्स जो पढ़ा रहे हैं वो समझ में नहीं आता, but the friends of same age which who like understand it and they can explain you it in a different way, not to say better way, in a different way, that might help you understand it better. The mentors that are good, just follow what they say, solve the maths, solve the questions they give. Don't leave the mock tests. Mock tests are very important. If you don't give mock tests, you might get panicked during the exams, which I personally got. I was unable to study for around 2 weeks before my advanced. So don't do that. Mock tests will really help you get rid of the fear of exams. Here at Zenith, you can send doubts to the teachers at any time of the day, and they'll get back to you as soon as possible, as soon as convenient for them. We have recorded video lectures for watching at your convenience, and also along with hard work, you have to work smart. As I'm sure everyone will say, yeah, you have to keep a balance between hard work and smart work. If you have to clear advanced, only hard work will not do, and only smart work will also not do. You have to keep a balance between. At Zenith, they also introduce you to your seniors. They conduct sessions where you are able to talk to your seniors who have passed before you, who share their experience with you, and then you can know what's better for you now and what's not good, what to do and what not to do. Don't stop hard work. ये many will tell you that हम तो नहीं पढ़े and मेरा हो गया, but those don't happen with everyone. So keep studying. Also keep focused. Stay focused. It will really help. If you need a break, go on a 2 or 3 day vacation. Don't study for 2 or 3 days, but after that, come back on track. Don't stay off track for too long. It will affect your rank. Yeah, basically keep giving tests, keep studying hard. You will clear advanced.